Hello awesome viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how we can read the Excel file using ExcelDataReader. So we have seen different methods. We have seen by Excel.application reading the Excel file, and we have also seen reading the Excel file with spreadsheet. Both the link I'll add on the right top corner of this video so that you guys can watch that. So this is another method to read in Excel. So Excel Data Reader. For that, first you have to install this. Right click on the project which you have created. I have created a project, readExcelReader. So in that you have to go manage NuGet packages. Here you have to add Excel Data Reader. I have to install this. I have already installed it. So click on the program.cs. Now we'll see the program. Without any further ado, let us start the video. First we'll see the file which we are going to read. So the file is writeDataFile.xlsx. Double click on that. So this is the file. It has 2 rows and 2 columns with including headers. The headers is first name and last name. The values are AZHAR and Jamal. These are the A and B are the columns. So it has 2 rows including the headers. Okay, we'll read this and now we can close this Excel. So let us now see the program. First of all, we have to give the file path. So I'll write var file path equal to, here we can add the file path. Okay, so let me add the file path. The file is here, writeDataFile.xlsx. Right click on that and I have to give a copy path. Copy as path, paste it here. So write @ in the beginning of double quotes and here at the end. Okay, so this is now my file path. Afterwards we can start the program. Now here, so I'll write System.Text.Encoding.RegisterProvider. So register provider. Here open bracket close bracket. We have to give the encoding here. So encoding will be System.Text.CodePagesEncoding.Provider. So I'll write System.Text.CodePagesEncoding.Provider instance. Alright. Okay. Now here we'll be using the using open bracket close bracket. Here I'll write var stream. The stream value I'll take stream streamval equal to. So here I have to write my file.open. So if you open the file.open, it has string path and file mode. Okay. So mode also I have to give the path also. Here I am giving the file path, comma file mode.open. So I have to click here open, comma FileAccess.Read. So I'm just reading. I'm having an access to read and write. If I click on it, it will give read, write and write. So for now I'll give just as a read. Okay. So open close bracket. Now here I'll give open bracket close bracket after the inside the user. So I'll use var configuration equal to, so new ExcelDataSet configuration. So here we'll be going to see the data set. Inside this, I'll write configuration data table equal to underscore arrow function new Excel data table configuration. So inside the dataset configuration, we are giving data table configuration, open bracket close bracket. Here we can give use header row. If you want to give header row as false, it will count header row as a row value. If you give true, it will never count the header as a row value. So for now I want header as a row value. Okay, so I'll write false itself. So after this, after using the var, so after this FileAccess.Read, I have to give one more thing here. So I'll give one tab for this var condition and I'll write using here. So we have to not forget reader here. So reader will read the Excel reader factory. Then we have to create reader of the stream. Okay. So I have to write, see, the same thing we have to write var reader equal to new. Instead of stream reader, we have to read Excel reader factory. So I'll remove this. Okay. So I'll write here Excel reader factory dot create reader. Create reader of whatever this reader we have streamval. Okay. So open right close bracket and then enter, open bracket here and then close bracket. Okay. So after this use header row as false, click on enter here. Okay. Now here you can use the data set which we have created. Okay. So var data set equal to reader dot as data set of configuration. Okay. Configuration. So now here data set is the reader dot as data set configuration. So configuration which we have defined here, that is nothing but Excel data set configuration after the data set. So I'll write if condition. So if data set dot tables dot count greater than 0. Okay. If so now I'm creating a data table as a variable. So this will be nothing but data set dot tables of 0. So tables here nothing but sheet. So first we are giving tables of 0 and then here we can write console application, console, here just we can write console dot write line of rows equal to, just here we are reading the rows. After that we can, in future we can read the values also. For now in this video just we are reading the row count and the column count. So here I'll write data table dot rows rows dot count. Okay. The same thing we can copy for the columns also. Console dot write line of the columns. Click on enter here. Data tables dot columns dot count. Here I can copy the same. Okay. So one more bracket we need. So if the tables are not greater than 0, I'll write else condition also. Else we can write console dot write line sheet doesn't exist. Okay. Write semicolon at the end. So here we have given one more space, that's why it won't find the file path if we run this. Let us run now. So it is starting the execution. So you can see here rows are 2, columns are 2. So it properly read the Excel and we have got the row count and column count. So based on the row count and column count, we can run a loop, we can read the values. Maybe we can see that in the future videos. In this video we have covered only the count, but we have read the Excel file using ExcelReader. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.